Hi, I'm Tom Sawblade Seagraves, and thank you for tuning in to our hands-on series. Today, we're going to be installing new motor brushes on our Trajan 125 saw. After hours of product development, we have found that customers have been experiencing motor pulsation whenever there's old motor brushes or a faulty circuit board. Before we begin any kind of work on our saws, we always want to make sure that they're unplugged. What you're going to need today is a Phillips, a flathead screwdriver, and your motor brushes. All your parts can be found at Sawblade.com. We handle everything that you need for any of your aftermarket care for your saws. So take your Phillips and uninstall the 2 small and the 3 screws around the cover here. And once that's done, just simply pull it up and gently place it right here. It's not going to go anywhere. It'll be perfect. Take your flathead and come over here. You'll see we've got your brushes housed here on the top and here at the bottom, and there's a cover. So we'll unscrew that top cover like so. Use that same flathead and find the corner of your motor brush, and it should just spring out nice and easy, just like that. Perfect. Take your new motor brush. You'll see here on your motor brush you've got these hooks. Now that's what will slide into the housing and clip it right in so it's not going to move, and your brush itself will have a curve that'll help follow along the motor, so you shouldn't have to force or jam anything in when you're installing new brushes. So let's go ahead and put this new one in. It slides right in smooth, and then just place the spring down until it clicks in. Perfect. Take that cover and put that cover on. All right. Now that we've got the top done, let's do the bottom. It's the same procedure. Here you go. Take that flathead, unscrew that cap, find the edge of your brush, and it should just spring on out here. Perfect. There's the old one. Here's your new one. Same thing. You've got your hooks, and you've got that curve, so everything will just slide right in. And then we'll put the cap back on, replace the cover over the motor, put your screws in, and you should be good to go. Now if you're still experiencing any motor pulsation, that after you've installed new motor brushes, that could be that circuit board giving you some trouble. So check out our other video on how to install a new one. I'm Tom Seagraves at Sawblade.com. Thank you again for tuning into our hands-on series. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.